Hi guys, today we're gonna go look for surprise eggs in our backyard. Are you ready, Ellis?
You gonna go over there?
Yeah, let's go start finding them. Come on, let's go.
Fun with Ellis.
There's one right there. Hurry. Oh, a big one. What's in there? Open it up. Want to grab it with two hands? I'll hold your bucket. All right, our first surprise egg. It's a big furry egg. What's inside? Who's that? It's Gidget from Pets. Come on, Gidget. Put her in there. Woof, woof, woof. Hi, Gidget. There's another one. Let's go get it. What's in there? Another furry one. Who's that? Who is it?
It's Max.
It's Max from Pets. Whoop, whoop. All right. Max and Gidget are together. Thank you, bud. What's inside the yellow one? Oh!
What's there?
Who's that? It's Fear. Can you do Fear, Ellis?
Whoa.
Whoa! There's another one right there. It's a big pink sparkling one.
What's in there?
And there's one in there. Who's inside? Oh! Who's this? Who's that? It's Marshall from Paw Patrol. Hey, Marshall. You want to put him inside?
Who's in the orange sparkling one? Wanna open it?
Ready? Who's that?
Hey, this car.
It's a car, a Hot Wheels. It's green and black, driving him through the sand. All right. Hey, Marshall. You want me to put him inside your bucket? Come on in, Marshall. Don't forget the Hot Wheel. Are you finding more? There's another one. Oh, who's that? It's Sadness from Inside Out. Can you do a Sadness? Ah, it's Sadness. Where'd she go? He found Sadness. Wow.
Is there more? There's one right there. Who's in that one?
Hey, it's Fury from the Avengers series. Wow, Fury's all squishy. Boop, 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 boop.
Hey, let's get the big one over here, buddy. You go in the sand and get the big one. You gotta walk in the sand and get the big one. All right, what's inside the big furry one over there? Can you help? Okay, let's open this one. Wanna open it? I don't know who's there.
Who's in there? Oh!
There's Fred in there.
It's Rebecca Rabbit, Candy Cat, and Danny Dog from Peppa Pig. There's Rebecca Rabbit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here's Candy Cat. Meow.
Greg.
And it's Danny Dog. Woof, woof. Hello, Peppa. Do we have any more? It was right there. Oh!
Buzz.
It's Buzz! To infinity and beyond! Hi, Buzz. Wow. There's another one over there. Do you see it? Who's inside that one? Oh!
It's Ellis.
Who's this?
It's Ellis.
Does it look like Joy?
Joy.
Hi, Joy. She's so happy. I'll hold her. Hi, Joy. Inside out.
It's Lightning Queen.
It's Lightning McQueen.
It's a car wing.
Wow, number 95.
It's a car.
He's a little baby Lightning McQueen, huh? Hi, little baby. Want to put him in there?
She does big.
Oh, he's not as big, huh? Put him in.
What's food in there?
I see another egg. Right there.
Right here in the house. Right there. Right there. Right here, buddy. There's another one right here. Spot it. Hey, when they're two, let's open two at the same time. Yeah. Open up.
You want me to hold this one while you open one?
Hey.
Hey, who's this?
It's Donald Duck.
It's Donald Duck.
One on the TV.
Yeah, you've seen him on the TV. Who's in there?
It's Bing Bong.
It's Bing Bong from Inside Out. Bing Bong, Bing Bong. Who's the magical one you love? Good job, bud. Is that all of them?
More. Oh, it's over here. Over here, right here. In your truck.
In your excavator, there's one right there.
Oh, there's one right there.
And there's one in there too. That one looks like a bunny. Want me to hold one? All right, who's in that one? Hey, what's this?
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. Can you do a dinosaur roar?
Roar.
Roar.
Which one?
Hi, dinosaur. Put you in the air. Okay. Here's another one. Oh! Who's this? Who is that?
It's Anger.
It's Anger from Inside Out. Can you do an Anger impression? Hey, I think I see another one, Ellis. Hey, right here, right here. In the big dump truck. All right, who's inside? Who's in that one? Oh!
It's Marshall.
I think this one is
Chase.
Chase. Hi, Chase. Paw Patrol to the rescue. Wow. All of these were in surprise eggs today, Ellis. You see them? You want to take one? Danny dog. He's tickling you. He's getting you. Getting you. There's a fly on you. Ah! Run, run, run! Come here, come here, come here! Ah! Boom! I got you! Ah! Go, go, go! Oh, dizzy! Oh, 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 oh! I'm on the rocks. Oh. Ooh. What kind of bug is that? Is that a little baby spider? Hello, little baby spider. He's cute. Is he cute? Is he nice? Yeah. Hi, little nice guy. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh, there you go, there you go. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. No. There you go, there you go. Oh, oh. Does he have a name? Does he have a name? Oh, there he is. He's on your other hand. Oh! Careful with him. Oh, he's in the dirt now. Bye-bye, spider. Hey, look at our friend Max and Gidget. Do you guys want to play with us? Yeah. This is what pets do when the owners aren't around. Hi, guys. We've got an important mission over here. Beep, 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 boop, 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 boop. Let's show everyone our dog. This is our dog right here. This is Chi-Chi. Say hi, Chi-Chi. Can you give Chi-Chi a pet? Yeah, Donald's walking on Chi-Chi. Oh, that's cute. Hi, Shiloh. Oh, look, he wants a belly rub. He's so cute. Aww.
What's that?
That's his paw. Ready? Hold on to your toys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa! 3, 2, 1. Blast off! 1, 2, 3, go! Bing bong.
Which one's your favorite? That's Kitty Cat. Hi, Kitty Cat. Your turn.
This is our cat, Kita. You say hi to Kita? Oh, there she goes. We love you, Kita. Look how high she is on the wall. She's sniffing your hand. She's so soft. Better? Pick up high? Oh, there she goes. Alright, bye kids. Thanks for watching and finding all these characters with us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye. He's covering them up. Bye, friends. Can you say bye, Ellis? Bye. Say bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Beep, beep, beep. Go, 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 go. Bye.